Do you have zero skill and you want to make money online? Your problem is solved. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make 0.8 cents, $1, $2 from simply reading email. All you have to do is to open an email, read it, and click on confirm on a couple of websites I will show you, and that's about all that is required from you. And you get paid, like I said earlier, 0.8 cents, $1, $2, and you can earn as much as $20 per day depending on how much you're willing to work. Now, without further ado, before I show you this, I want you to do something very free for me, like I do for you, give you free content. Do very well to click on the subscribe button if this is your first time on my channel, and like this video. Now, there are a couple of things you would need to actually make withdrawals or actually do this. First is that you would need a PayPal account. Now, if you do not have a PayPal account in your country, you're from Nigeria like I am, and PayPal is not allowed in your country, very simple. All you have to do is to go in the comment section and tell me that I need a PayPal account, and I'm going to show you how you can actually get a PayPal account. The second thing you would need is a Gmail account. Now, hold on. If you do not have a free Gmail account, which is almost free for everyone, you can actually use a Yahoo Mail account, right? Or you can actually use a Hotmail account. Whichever you choose to use is actually fine. Now, guys, without further ado, let's cut to the chase and I'll show you how you actually would start making this box from this website. I will show you. Let's go. Now, before I go on to show you the name of this website, there are three things I want you to know about this website. Now, how does it work? First of all, you sign up. The next thing you do is to read emails, and of course, you get paid for reading these emails. Now, you earn cash with paid to read email. Would you like to get paid for reading emails online? It sounds easy. Well, it is. Receive daily email in your inbox and get paid every time you confirm reading this email. You paid to read emails want to pay you. All right. So basically, there are three things you need, which I already mentioned. You sign up, you read emails, you get paid. Now, why do you need to join paid emails? Why do you need to join this platform? First, paid read emails. Of course, you receive daily emails, quick payment processing within 24 hours, low $15 payout limit. Join and activate your account, plus you earn a $3 sign up bonus. Now, you take daily paid surveys, you earn $0.5 to $1 per survey. Refer your friends and you get to refer and get money from your referrals. All right. So very quickly, the name of this website is Paid to Read Emails. And how do you sign up? The sign up process is quite complex, and that is why I want you to follow me carefully. Now, all you have to do to sign up is to actually come here and input if you're a male or you're a female. You just choose your gender, and then the next thing you want to do is to enter your name. You enter your primary email address. Like I told you earlier, you need an email address. So if you do not have a Gmail account, it's very simple. All you have to do is to get a Yahoo Mail account and you're good to go. The next thing, you enter your password and you click on your confirm. So now I'm going to do this right in your front, and you're going to see how we get to register on this platform. All right. Very quickly, I'm going to enter a password I want. And I'm going to click on sign up, and you watch me sign up on this platform. You can see it says, oops, there are errors in what you just entered. Please continue your sign up by completing the form below. Clearly, I need to complete this form here. It says sign up and get the $3. So this is my name. I'm just going to enter my other name. Then, of course, my password is here. The next thing you want to do is to enter your zip code. Now, if you do not know your zip code, all you have to do is to come on Google and actually type zip code for Abuja, and then it's going to show you your zip code. Simply, you just copy the zip code. It's simply 900108. 900108. So I'm just going to come here and enter it, 900108, and that's about it. I have read and agreed. I am not a robot. It's quite complex, and that's why I need you to follow through. And then I'm going to click on sign me up, and we're going to get signed up quickly. You can see, thank you, your account is activated. Thank you. Your paid to read email account is now activated. $3 sign up bonus has been credited to your account. All right. So now you can see cash. I have $3 already. I have received 0 points, inbox 0, referral 0. Now the instruction for whitelisting our emails. You've qualified for the following great offers below. You would see this only once. So sign up now. Cash for offers, Moolah days, quick pay surveys, paid surveys, email. So basically, you just got to choose what you want to do among all of this. You can see free ways to be rewarded for your activities online. Cash survey. Visit the cash survey section daily for survey opportunities. There are new surveys available every day, and you can earn $0.5 to $1 0.5 cents to $1 per survey. Why not start earning money for your opinion? Now you can also earn money with this, and just click on it and you start. Now, cash offers. Are you interested in trying a product or service free of charge? Stop by and check out our 100% free offers section for opportunities to earn more money and with free offers. The next thing is endpoints. Endpoints that are redeemable for gift card, guaranteed paid emails, GPE, and more. We've partnered with many companies so you could earn lots of points and redeem them for great price. And then the last one, of course, is paid email, which we're here for. As you receive paid emails, from paid to read emails, just click to confirm reading email and earn money to your paid to read email account. It adds up fast. And do not forget that the threshold is $15. Once you can do this enough to earn about $15, then you can withdraw. Like I said earlier, you can either withdraw through gift card or you can withdraw through a PayPal account. Now, if you do not have a PayPal account, you're in a country that does not allow for PayPal account, you can just drop a message in the comment section saying that, Phil, I need a PayPal account, and I'm going to redirect you to how you can actually get a PayPal account. Now, guys, without further ado, I'm just going to come here and quickly start reading emails to actually make money. Without further ado, I want you to also do that. All right, so we just save ourselves the stress and you make money from this platform. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next.